Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope are you doing well. So in this video I will show to RC boat. Let's go. The boat are made. The company name is the Pro Boat. The 6-inch ready to run Pro Boat recoil to make smooth waves cutting deep wave performance easier than ever to enjoy. Yes, girl. If it flips, just press the self-lighting button on the new. Oh, so cool. Custom programmed Spectrum LST3 radio. You are back in the action ASP. Come on, your best product. I mean to say most beautiful and best product. If you can enjoy, so buy these gadgets and fun. So you are waves in the brushless deep and ocean running system available in this Garcia board. Come on, you enjoy more these gadgets. Yo, 100 is Spectrum brushless ESC Spectrum 30,000 kV brushless outrunning marina motor with the integrate weight. So cool. This motor is so amazing, so due to help out of the generate heavy power. Oh yes, you are looking to a fan. It is so cool and so producing the torque. This is the help out of gung gung running. So if you buy it and you available in the box, recoil 2v2 26 self-retaining brushless RTR Spectrum 3S 3200 mAh 30C lithium battery Spectrum S120 battery charger and 100 AMP Spectrum brushless ESE Pro Boat 5.3 kg waterproof servo composite boat stand, a battery, recoil 2v2 industrials manual. Wow, Spectrum SLT33 channel 2.2 GHz transmitter and received. Wow, so amazing. 100 AM Spectrum brushless SE, so cool. So please subscribe now.